Now we're going to make an indigo vat. Indigo dyeing is one of the oldest ways of making color. It makes a beautiful blue. You have the quantities perfectly measured in your kit, so you don't need to worry about measuring anything for that. And you don't need to mordant the wool. You can use it dry, so you just need to prepare it. You need a vessel that's large enough for your wool to move around freely. Once you've made the indigo vat, you can keep it. So we're going to need a small mixing jar to mix the indigo, make it into a paste. We're going to need water to make it into a paste. We're going to need hot water, but not too hot, around 40 to 50 Celsius, in a large vessel, and a mixing stick. Now I'll take you through the steps. Indigo functions in a different way to other natural dyes in that it's not water soluble and it needs a somewhat complex set of reactions to function. The technique we're using is the easiest technique, called a 1-2-3 organic indigo vat. For the indigo vat, it would be good to have rubber gloves, a litmus test to see the pH, but not essential. The quantities for this are 1 part indigo to 2 part calcium hydroxide to 3 part fructose. I would suggest to use all of the indigo supplied, since once you have a vat, you can reuse it. So, to start the vat by putting hot water, around 40 to 50 Celsius but not more, in a large and heat-proof glass jar. In a small glass jar, mix the indigo powder with a little water to make a smooth paste, making sure that no particles remain unmixed. Some people use marbles to make the process easier. Put them in the jar, close the lid and shake. Add the indigo solution to hot water in your big jar. Stir in the calcium hydroxide. Finally, add the fructose and stir well, being careful to not introduce excess oxygen into the vat. The vat may take up to 45 minutes to be ready to use, but it can be ready in as little as 15. You'll know it's ready when all the sediment has settled on the bottom and it looks green. Submerge the skein of wool into the indigo. Massage well without adding excess oxygen to the vat. Remove and watch it transform from green into blue as it oxygenates in the air. For a deeper blue, do continuous dips. And then to get an even deeper color, we can dip 3 times. You can dip more than that as well. With the 1-2-3 organic indigo vat, it never goes super deep blue color, but you get light to medium tone. Afterwards, rinse with water and hang to dry.